One man wait it, my drama.
Good evening, everyone. Happy weekend to you all. I'm Faith in Nagbare Osam. I'm back again. My constant my talking matter. This evening, I will still talk because I can't this work. I can't they talk. This will be stammer. You say people when they stammer, the more they talk, the more their tongue go they play. So, probably I say now, I want to learn how to talk well. So before I continue my talking, I must say play music first. God bless you all. In Jesus' name, amen.
Food you know day, brother, water no day. And our country not good though. Every day party for day for all night. One man wait it, my drama, them go show him face for crime fighter. Rich man wait it money, we now they see their face for crime fighter. Tell me something I don't know why. Each man go dey yalla koya, one man go dey shout. Rich man go dey yalla koya, one man go dey shout. They gonna lead us well, don't let this nation to fall inside well. Mr. President, if you be governor, if you be senator, anytime well. If you be police well, not they take bribe. They lead us well, govern us well. If you be senator, police well, not they take bribe. Well, you know they, brother, transportation not they. What about the NEPA people who no get light? Everybody just say Allah. When not they now how we want survive. Many youth ready for work, but that's work not they now how we want survive. We will be giant of Africa, but to God be sent again and our yeah. My God, policeman go see white, he go tell you say I say that thing direct. Tell me something I do to make on that lead us well. Don't let this tension to fall inside well. Mr. President, lead us well. If you be governor, govern us well. If you be senator, anytime well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well, govern us well. If you be senator, anytime well. Police well, not they take bribe. I like the way Punkanki say the name of the party. People destroy people, now the name of the party. Election for my country, now party. Wayo, arranging on me. People wait for them things till they live in pain. This not disgrace, I am so ashamed. Don't collection permit, collect trading permit, review permit. You see the bun shop, you want tell me say you don't know when them pay. Why do they make us they live in pain? Make us lead us well. Don't let this nation to fall inside well. Mr. President, lead us well. If you be governor, govern us well. If you be senator, anytime well. If you be police well, not they take well. Govern us well. If you be senator, anytime well. If you be police well, not they take bribe. I'm a nothing they pass. Anything we pan and wish. I make put the summer, no lele. Thank you. Food in a day, brother, water not day. And our country not good, every day party for day for all night. One man wait it, my drama, them go show him face for grand fighter. Rich man wait it money, we now they see their face for grand fighter. Tell me something I don't know why. Rich man go dey ala peya, one man go dey shine. Rich man go dey ala peya, one man go dey shine. They wanna lead us well, don't let this nation to fall inside well. Mr. President, lead us well. If you be governor, govern us well. If you be senator, anytime well. If you be police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well, govern us well. Anytime well, lead us well. Police well, not they take bribe. Well, you know they, brother, transportation not they. And our road is not good though. What about the NEPA people who no get light? Everybody just say Allah. Well, not they now how we want survive. My God, many is ready for work, but that's work not they now how they want survive. We be giant of Africa, but to get visa enter Ghana na wayo. My God, policeman go see white, he go tell you say I say that thing na red. Tell me something I do to make una lead us well. No let this nation to fall inside well. Mr. President, lead us well. If you be governor, govern us well. If you be senator, senator well. If you be police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Lead us well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Lead us well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Lead us well. Govern us well. Not they take bribe. Senator well. Anytime well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. My God, many is ready for work, but as work not dey na how no one survive. We be giant of Africa, but to get visa enter Ghana na wayo. My God, policeman go see white, he go tell you say I say that thing na red. Tell me something I do to make una lead us well. No let this nation to fall inside well. Mr. President, lead us well. If you be governor, govern us well. If you be senator, senator well. If you be police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Lead us well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Lead us well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Lead us well. Govern us well. Not they take bribe. Senator well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well.
Okay, bros, don't hear you. Una goody evening, my people. Africa, my lovely, wonderful people. I dey greet you now from Spain. God bless you. I love Africa, but sometimes we will be Africa. We really talk. And me, no, na say I be stand mara. I don't dey talk like that, so I can't learn how to dey use my tongue to dey talk better thing, welly on media. I love every one of you. God bless you. I'm Faith in Nangbari Osamuji. Public know as the Faith of Robosadi talkative. I love Africa. This evening, I want to talk about illegal migrants. So, now here they call them immigrants. God bless Africa. We love you all. So, before I start, I want to make I correct some people. They say people when they pass corner where they come this Europe. Make all the poor for let me say they pass land or they pass Sahara Desert, they pass Morocco, they pass Libya, they enter. If you use other people's document, take out Europe, you see be illegal person. You see do a corner way. All of us, me too, and I look at passport, so everybody will be the same. If you do get that play, the document will not be your own. Maybe you use person who say resemble you. All of us will be the same. Now corner way. Now we all pass come. So they say you get one show when I watch. The show not be this drama. That was 2016 December. I said everyday do one. So I come across them for media, for YouTube. The person they all focus on those state people. Normally, so nobody will feel deny. Now we made a pass for this group. Now we pass there's a pass. Before you see, God bless you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. So before you see one or two person, when we say he come from maybe from Yoruba land, Hausa, Igbo, you must see like 10 or 20 Benin people, Edo people, Asian from Edo State. Now true. But the thing they pay me well, they call Edo. Why? Because my name is not from Edo, right? They pay me for body. Me, I don't know, but they pay me. They all focus on the Edo people. Then they can't call this boy, this brother commercial. Maybe they can't explain to them the reason when we say you travel past land go Libya. Then they say if you wan go school for Europe, you wan come learn nursing, you wan go school of nursing. And I say nursing no dey Benin there, no dey those state. They will say you wan cause of nursing, you wan pass land, risk your life, go call this side, come do nursing. The truth be say that blood, that interview, him for no your go because he not sabi answer there. Na true. All those our media people, all those journalists, all they read news, all of now. Active, okay, that's true. School of nursing full Nigeria, don't be full Nigeria, but how many nurses get work? And the truth they talk, school of nursing full everywhere. It dey Lagos State, it dey Oyo State, it dey Edo State, it dey Calabar, it dey Delta, it dey everywhere, it dey Cross River, it dey everywhere. But how many nurses get work for Nigeria? How many people go school of nurse? When we say they come out with good certificate, with good results, they can't get work. Now that is why they say you want travel pass land because they work not in Nigeria. No matter Sakabo, that is just it. Then you say, okay, what the boss say you know fit farm, bros, you get land? I say I don't get land, I don't fit farm. Okay, what about trade? Uncle, I don't get capital, no money, no goodie, money not there. That one the question supposed to give them. You need to go you go the 4 person hand. You want go school of no call, no CD. I know you are able for sure. God bless you now. Don't worry, I support you now. School of nursing call, school of nursery school. Why you go lie? Tell them the truth. Don't they know? I know for here. Tell them the truth. School of nursing. Tell them the truth. What don't job for Nigeria? Uncle, auntie, me. I call you road because no work for Nigeria. I call you because my they're poor. Their salary. You know, pay my school fees. I see there, all those my I see there. I see there, you know, sisters for under me. Their salary too small. Now make me risk my life. Part desert. No baton. Sakabo, you don't want to give the those excuse. What is it? The excuse worries. Don't do that next time. At least have you tell the truth? There's no job. Not true. There's no job for Nigeria. Man, I tell you another one. Next time they call you again. Troops like me, auntie, not light for Nigeria. Even though I dey sell fish now for Nigeria, I never sell fish before. So tell my fish go spoil. No, the way you see light. How much I dey gain for fish? When we say when I don't just go a closer, go sell finish. If I reach out, I don't see where I put on. If I reach out, I don't see where I put on. I need to stay on my net till they dry the fish. Make it not spoil. Auntie, no electricity. Now make me risk my life. They pass their side. Call the time better life for this side. No baton. What is it? Tell them the truth. If they talk about that one again, and that money for this you according to the boy, they say people value the certificate of people who in Europe than the certificate of Nigeria. That one you just write for that one. You see they say you say make for the employ good teacher. Auntie, because there's no good education here in Nigeria anymore. That's why I risk my life. Say I want party desert. No matter. And next time they go back interview, first ask person like me question. I'll tell you what you go to tell them. You go to hear them. When they ask you, they hit the hammer. They hit the hammer. Don't go interview with anti man. The government is no water. If they ask you again, they don't say, auntie me uncle, Nigeria don't get water. Now make me risk my life past desert. Now you come on Europe. Simple as ABCD. Okay, what is the whole one? I say, all the money we una gather, that money it go reach una take trade for Nigeria. Maybe they be right or they be wrong. Then they say, journalists or active okay, all things are not equal. God give everybody your talent. You get your talent, I get my talent. So go trade, then go make am for life. So go trade, the money all go waste. So you know me say, Mr. A trade, he dey make am, say me, talkative or Mr. B go see trade, go see make am. No. People when they trade, that one their own talent. Me I still get my own talent. I got what you go put it. I don't be fun for Nigeria yet. I risk my life, pass desert. Make I see say I go fun. Because I wish Nigeria government good that they provide. I for no pass desert. Simple as ABCD. Auntie no good road. Nigeria. Auntie, no security for Nigeria. I'm afraid. That is the reason I risk my life to paradise. So give the full answer. And if you want me to make a fun, auntie, tell your government, may they give you small money, may they go buy land. And if you make a trade, tell your government, may they give me capital, may they trade. If they give me, I don't go paradise. Lobaton. Next time before you go interview, compare person like me, man, I tell you what you go tell them. And another one again, even though you go school for Nigeria, you get the best certificate, you get the best result. Now connection, if they give people work. Where they for interview you, ask them how many Edo State people person they work for them. Even they employ them, waiting be their position for that place. Where they for the interview you. You ask the question. So you will get best results. They dey very intelligent. They have the capacity, the good knowledge, everything full there, and nobody employ them. They employ you because of connection. They do because this one, that one, in Japan and this and this. People they employ people from Nigeria because of their background. People will say they know they're capable. You put them for seats. That's another problem of Nigeria. Today in Europe, we get many graduates here in Europe with good certificates, but nobody give them job for Nigeria. But people we say they don't qualify. They are there driving the best car in Nigeria. So education is good. I cannot lie you. It's very good. I can't lie to you. It's good to read and write. It's good to study. It's good to have that certificate for hand. But my dear, not be that's a momentum for life. Many people they are very educated and very poor. Graduates with poor income, they plenty. Graduations, graduates with the best results with poor income. Poverty, if they pursue them like this. Only one buy. I say only one buy. What do I buy? Poverty, if they pursue like this. Graduates with poor income. They full Nigeria there, they full Europe here. So what is the need? When you want tribe, you pull the whole problem upon the poor youths. No! If poor youths got opportunity, they don't go travel. Can a Spanish man travel to Africa now? Say you want to look for life? Can you say, okay, now I want to pass that river, can we have Nigeria, I'm going to look for life? No, because their government, they provide for them. That is true. No other person go tell you say he want cross river. Make it go. Maybe you go to look for life for Africa. Because their government stand for them. If Nigeria government stand for the youth and stand for everyone in Nigeria, both the young, the old, the children, everyone. I don't know how they say people go they reach their life, they pass that river, they enter. And the truth now they talk. So all those journalists, all those propaganda, when I want use and gain viewers, you want this one on a better pass. Man, I tell you, nobody ever shut down. When I leave that matter, what you interview, man, I talk truth. Nigeria government, they are not helping their people. They are not trying. Even though they are trying, they should try more. They should try more. Even though they say they are trying, please, sir, man, if you are there, try more. But come on, button. And try more. People are suffering. People are dying of hunger. People, when you live by them, say, this life now, so don't want to head down. This poverty of thing. So people they don't eat once in a day. And that's in Nigeria. And they ask what do they travel? For example, now person they get money, like man say get small money. Maybe all your family now, everybody for the family, they gather money together. This one bring 10, 20, they gather together. You can't reach the whole 50 past Libya. Now investments, they want risk come. Maybe if they want to see enter, you call they help the family. Now investments. They don't try their best to see raise their family. So you know me say best. Let me say the reason why. The reason because they will say okay, this money if I feel make can enter, I will feed my senior one, I will feed my junior one, I will feed the help my family. Now me they risk. Some food they sell their land. Because you don't blame them. Every person now you get 10 children. or why they massively there. They only get one land. And for Benin, I don't say I don't for Benin. For like that, if you use this land this year, carry phone. Next year, if you use them again, it don't go. This no go good. The harvest no go good way. If they live now for 3 years, 4 years, make it for strong again before they go fit use that land again. Okay, for example, now that person you only get one land. If you say one land, you go fit carry all your family. No, now people they sell land. We say okay, if I use a carry from this year, I need to wait for another 3 or 2 years or 4 years, make it for 6 strong again before you use them because I only one get. Okay, if you use on this year, they say no use them. What you want to chop? They raise their leg. They say the land. This is another one there. Make a risk. If this will keep it better, the rest will see better. Now so, I want the Nigerian government they help them for not the travel and they try to talk. For the like, make invest for me. Me and invest for now. I love Africa. I'll talk true. Nigerian government they want to help their people. They are not trying. Even though they say they are trying, they should try more. Okay, so we have heard you. People are really trying, but you people should try more. Try more and stop with this. People say they pass the desert upon all the okra without cry. So even today, people who say they ready, they want to go cross that river. They want to reach their life. People who say they carry money. Go away and do it for so and so, do it for me to one person. Because no one for Nigeria. If today they sleep, no. Tomorrow they wake up, no. Why they not go travel? They have to travel. If hope not, they go travel. People wey get brain say okay, me see going to all this thing. No light. No light. I get many friends from Nigeria go say, Mama, you dey enjoy shower. I wish I would be like you now. Yeah, we don't get light. So tell you call for Nigeria for video call anywhere that place, you don't see their face. Video call. They go carry Rukbiwe. You see me? You dey see me for this century? You dey see me? And I can see you. Do you see my face? You dey see me? Call people in for Nigeria. You don't see their face. They will go carry light. Sometimes they'll point touch. You dey see my face? Can you see me now? Can you see my face? They say Nigeria there. Poverty there. No light. And for those journalists who don't say there is food, where is the food? If you say there is job, where is the job? If you claim that yes, we have electricity, where is the power? Where is the power? Where is here? People are suffering. I get many friends for Nigeria, they suffer. They are suffering, no light. No light for Nigeria, no light. Some go stay 6 months, no light. Some go stay 8 months, no light. 3 months, no light. 1 month, no light. For that, they say Nigeria. Now come here, they form Ojoro. They do whatever from social media. Now light, there's no light in Nigeria, there's no light. Big men have light, poor men don't have light. Big men, they have light, poor men don't have light in Nigeria. People are suffering. There's no light in that country. There's no power. There's no power in that country. That is the truth. There's no power. And you people should stop that. When I want the granddad in that interview. If you don't get what you want to sit down for your ass, make you sleep there. Must you go interview, go the fool yourself. Now only one be engineer, only one be farmer, only one go do nothing. You they turn everybody, they turn like this. Take your time, When they know what you and they talk for social media. Don't be say they do when they part desert. Next week I will talk about that one. But today, I say make us start. I'm not saying they start from foundation. The foundation of illegal migrants. Now our government cause them. These things are caused by Nigerian government because they fail to provide for the citizens of Nigeria. They fail Nigeria. They fail their people. They fail to provide for them. Now people they pass desert. Light for this life. If you give Nigeria light, all you today go they make money every day by day. If you give us okay, Nigeria now they get 24 hours power. All you they go they make money. Every woman go they make money. Every man go not only lazy one. We see how lazy people. When we say even here in Europe, upon everything in day, some are still very lazy. They don't want to do anything. Now let's want to get that one. Even here in Europe, opposite they everywhere, but some are still very lazy. They don't want to do anything. They wait, maybe they give them. So we see how lazy ones. They mean for Nigeria, but most of them they are not lazy. They are not. They hustle. They work. And they say social media. They send message. They write. They do everything. All this way they hustle for life. So Nigeria government, the truth be say there's no power. No power. Nigeria, they need lights. Light number one. Even run not doing anything. My brother Omoyele, if I beg, to your long, if you don't do anything, you don't have power to give Nigeria. Don't give Nigeria lights. You go say every go change. That kind of thing. All those wish they don't feel they fly again. For example, all the wish cannot fly the way they like, because everywhere like they. Bible say where there is light, all the darkness they go, they go waka, wish no go fit fly. All traffic go dey okay. That kind of thing. So make una give Nigeria power. To stop illegal migrants in Nigeria, give them power. To stop illegal migrants in Nigeria, put the people who qualify for those jobs. All the jobs when they carry come match for government, all this one, that one. Who qualified people? Not be connection. I know you know me. If you go see poor man pikin when they work for Nigeria, you cannot see poor man pikin even though you go know the thing rich. They know they go put them for them. That's true. Also that country be. God bless you. Thanks for watching, my lovely people. Also that country be. It's not good. It's not good. Then we have to say the truth. The cause of illegal migrants are caused by our government. By our government. Because I wish so in Nigeria, people will feel they come because they don't use that kind of life. One day, you tell me, say, Mama, I better tell your day than I'll go to Nigeria. Mama, I was saying, I said, go back home. You said, no, I'm not talking. When the boy tell me some kind of things, me myself, where I did put that, so things they come out from my eye. I understand them because I Nigeria for the come. I understand them. I change the country, and I say, so that country, you never say change. People say don't change. Wait for change. If you change, where is the change? If you change, where is the change? Maybe they see the change now. It's changed for the rich people. It's changed for people that have connection. And it still remains the same for the poor people. Nigerian government, we are begging you, even though we are not give Nigeria anything, just give them power. Give the light, electricity. 24 hours power in Nigeria will solve the problem of poverty for the poor people. My feet time, so tell my all my feet go spoil. I'll take that knife, fire, they run, they down. If we there, as I enter my house, good evening, sir. God bless you. As I enter my house, I'll open my freezer, I'll put them for there, I'll go bath, sleep. But for Nigeria, that time, if I come back from market, I need to go back for your wood again, because they not make the fish, make it for dry. So, I still repeat, illegal migrants are caused by Nigeria government who fail to provide electricity for their people, who fail to give their people, their citizens, 24 hours power to succeed in life. No country go fit succeed without electricity. No state go fit succeed without electricity. So stop deceiving people. Nobody want die. Nobody want to carry over make it go die. Now situation, condition, make people they pass their side. Most of them, and some of them, they are lazy too. So I will talk about vice versa. Next week I will focus on the lazy people. Lazy people. God bless you. No matter how you go hawk reach for Nigeria, I don't feel hawk before they sell it for market. Before you go fit see the money you put and come see gain before you come pay all those tax to people wey dey cut ticket dey waka. Your money wait till time you go from morning till night. If you sit down count your gain, it go be that kind 50 naira, sometimes 30 naira. The way God go bless you, that one day ask you go see 120 naira for gain, you go see they happy. So then you see shots, rain go fall. when rain fall, nobody they drink cold water, nobody they buy fish, nobody they buy bones. If you not quick about take cover and rain go see big time journal all come soap, you go to where or reach out to give out to your junior ones for us. They hit and test. Thank you. But are you also short? So Nigeria need electricity. I get that bread, they sell those things, they do all this thing, I say they sell. Now I wish Nigeria get better lights, I get my deep freezer. Maybe this year, maybe I for not come. Although I don't regret to, I'm happy that I come to this Europe. I don't regret. Not the regret I come. But maybe I for no even reason I want to say okay, me I come school, me I come go school for Europe. I for no reason now. That's why I say God, I see they go school. If I come back for school, my auntie go help me do everything for grant and to carry my thing, just go the seller. So life is not going to be like that. If you don't want to stop illegal migrants, fair give Nigeria power, fair just give Nigeria electricity. Me for the con they look up. Whether you know we sell those sweet boys, all the fine girls, they will do better thing they come. Even that industry, this movie industry, before they feel get road, before they feel take them, so go sleep with them. It's truth. They go sleep with them. People they suffer. All those girls, they sleep with them before they feel give the one this thing. Most of them, so not be all, but they don't tell you truth. I get one friend when he asked him, he just me everything. He not good. He not good. And he said they ask the question, they will talk like. One for interview, she don't agree. She talk about for the interview, and she talk and say not true. They sleep with them. They sleep with them before they visit. So they will sleep with them. The same thing. So people there, you see girl, fine girl with better certificate, good result, excellent. You first me she first sleep with you before you can give her a job. Nobody say that Nigeria all for the apple. That type of person suppose na way person can pass Morocco or pass Libya. He don't go follow am. Even though he get good certificate, he go risk am. Na true. So illegal migrants are caused by bad people who say they govern some places. Not be all, some are good. Just give Nigeria light. Now you go fit do one. Me I believe say Nigeria you can give your people 24 hours power. Give them lights. Give Nigeria light. You say all this you go the stop. Nowadays, you feel call Nigeria person, maybe the day video call. Before you talk to man say 2 minutes, the phone already off. Then you go say, Mama, hello, Mama, no problem. This battery is very low. Now there's no light. Maybe we talk tomorrow. Good night, ma. Europe, battery low. You can't charge that. Bam, you plug down. Okay, brother, continue. I don't hear you. And this is very low now. Or let's say you don't finish before I see him. I look at say you don't low. I just forget something. I'll plug down. I'll sit down and continue. For Nigeria, they'll say, here we are, your call phone number 4 days, you don't they ring. So go take money to go charge their phone. Where is the power? So go use money to charge phone. You go see pay people will get the rate or they buy food. You go here for them, you go see pay them to charge your own phone. They talk about it. Why they not go migrant? Why they not go for why they not go pass the river? Why they not go swim in the river? Why they not go for themselves to cross the river? They will cross them. Not true, they will cross them. Even though they saw themselves they bad, they will cross them. Let's say they join them next week and they come for them. They will cross them. Give us power. Give Nigeria power. I'm talking for Spain. You see, like they. We they pay light bill normal, but like 24 hours. But they get light. Before they take your light, say they want to pay something, they'll physical right you. Saying so time like this, so they want see this light for 2 hours or for 1 hour. So make you know, before they cut water, they'll give you a this. So they go first tell you say they want cut water for so hours. So before maybe 1 hour, say me they want you to repair something. They'll tell you. I wish my country be like that. Now, say why Nigeria no go fit be like this. So Nigeria government have to do more. I know you people are trying. No, you are really trying, but try more. Nigeria need power. Where is the power? Where is the power for all the journalists to know math? No, things have changed. Ikea disco. Things are changes. Auntie me, brother me, mommy. Things are cheap for the rich. And things is worse, more worse for the poor. That is not the truth. Things are very cheap for the rich people. And things is very, very worse for the poor people. That's the truth. The poor are suffering. The poor are crying. The poor don't have food to eat. The poor people don't have job with their good certificate. The poor people, they don't have power and electricity. They are suffering. So don't focus on the rich, focus on the poor. That's why if they carry rich people come interview, I know they listen to them. No, me, talk at the face, never. If you are a rich man, daughter or son, you come any interview, I cannot listen to you because you won't talk out of your own experience. You live without life. But if you carry Paco like me, because you will be Paco like me, come. I'll sit down and say, oh, Christy, I go on the cry. Because if you Paco like me, we understand each other. Not understand. So all those rich man interview, rich man talk show, forget that one. They are talking out of their own experience. Me who feel the reality of life, bring Paco come. Because he don't suffer, come interview. Me go tell the reality of life. I don't think I mean they listen to. So this life, we need to say the truth. One all those things want to put for social media, you see, to me, una the person the verse. Una look us as fool. Say people when you travel past desert they be fool. No. The truth is that Nigerian government are not helping. They are not helping. They are the cause of illegal migrants. It's truth. It's Nigerian government. They are not helping people. Here in Europe, if your pikin they misbehave, you get government will provide you can go. They call the educadora. Government get plan for everything. Europe, in Nigeria, we not leave everything for their parents. Is their parents. If pikin do bad, na parents. If you do wrong, na parents. If you keep doing it, parents. We not get help. How many people they help for Nigeria? How many? Few out of many. That's another topic. You see, they come. Stop helping few out of many. I don't see that time. Stop helping few out of many. Out of millions of people, you give 10 scholarships, say you try? No. You don't try. Out of millions of people, you give 50 scholarships, or scholarship come and say you try? No, you don't try. You do what you go favor everybody. Favor every one of us. Because equal is the answer here. You do everything to favor every one of us. Equal is the answer. If you do for the poor, you do for the rich people. If you do for Mr. A, you do for Mr. You do for Mr. B too. So stop helping few out of many. So come and say I give scholarship. He nourish my hand. He nourish my people hand. So I don't appreciate you. I told be that one. You do what you go favor every one of us. You don't favor everybody. Long as you go favor every one of us. Don't be do what you go favor some person or people at the end. You come as a leader, do what you favor all the Nigeria citizens. People say everybody get right to ask for it. What if you say out of millions of people when they suffer, no good education, you can't try to give 10 scholarship. Or you can't even come your try. You give 100 scholarships, say you try. Do not try. Give us something that will favor every one of us. Give us something. Equal rights is the answer here. If you do Nigeria equal rights, everybody get rights. The poor have their rights, the rich people have their rights, no oppression. Then you can't do the major thing, which is electricity, power. Give them power. God bless Africa. So make una they lead us right, lead us way. Advocate rights. Journalists, they journal the thing rights. People are suffering. You work on the money, you don't get tea and bread. You say, I don't finish. So people did there. the guy they soak, they measure with hand. Yeah, bring your cup. Yeah, bring your cup. Yeah, bring your cup. It dey happen for that Nigeria. Poor people dey suffer. You wake up in the morning to drink tea and wear your suit. So if you come in and call a lot of people the way you like. What did they pay me pass? Most of them now don't come study for abroad. I will say una carry white people mentality. Una carry their brain. Una not come you just come focus on education or how to speak good English. Una come you come focus on the environment, on their plans, how you take draft their country. And you take that brain back to Africa. You stand and draft Nigeria. You stand and plan for Nigeria. You can't use don't say make una forget una culture, but just use European mentality. Africa could be a better place. I wish you all can just learn from this Europe. I wish you all can stop oppressing the poor. I wish everyone can stand and speak with one voice. I wish every one of you can defend the poor citizens. I wish every one of you can stop collecting money from the government. I wish every one of you can stand and defend the Nigeria. I wish every one of us can feel the same pain, have the same joy, share the same tears. I wish every one of us have one heart. How I wish every one of us will stand for Nigeria. Nigeria will be the most beautiful, lovely place to stay. So I have to go now. Think about it. Habits of Nigeria. I say most of them they pay you now to do what they do. They give you money to bring the people down. They give you money to add the truth. They give you money to speak against poor people. People when they succeed in life. And I still maintain my stand. Illegal migrants are caused by Nigeria government that fail their people. God bless Africa. So before I go again this evening, make I continue with my lovely music. Stop bringing people down. Stop bringing them down. Defend them. Defend them. Journalist advocate, most of you are not happy. You are not helping your people. You are not helping your people. And for those brothers and sisters, if you have what to say, don't go to any interview. Let them know your pain. Don't let them feel your tears. Illegal migration, a major challenge for Africa. That is truth. Why they not go mad? Why they not go wrong out of their country? You see a woman, a lady, a beautiful girl with birth certificate. Because she from poor background, nobody want to employ her. But they will put person because this person have big name. You see a man that spent years in the university just to study. Birth certificate, birth result. He will get a job. At the end of the day, you will frustrate her out of that the same country and put incapable people. Most people occupy city in Nigeria, they are not capable. They are not. But people that can do this job, nobody want to see them. Nobody want to hear from them. Nobody want to listen to these people. They you are telling them not to travel, not to risk their life. They will do it. They are going to do it, even though you try to stop it. They are going to do it unless you provide something that will take that thought, that thinking out of their mind. But if you continue your way and fail to provide for them, they will continue in their own way. They will be disgracing you. They will disgrace you. They say we are from Nigeria. Yes, we are from Edo State, Nigeria. Unless you change in a way, put the interest of your people first. I pity for that is collecting money from them. You can't speak the truth. To the way oti je dodo o le so ododo ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. You don't shop dodo, so you can never talk true. They interview them. They could have interview person like me. I go tell you 1 million reasons where people try to go for Nigeria. Interview person like me. Oppression. Nigeria. Person like me, as I be stammerer so. Or you both guess where they go put me. They gonna try to teach me how to talk. They control my tongue. Nigeria, una get them. You know they. You know they. If you there, where the Africa? I never see them. Maybe not man. They come there. Why Nigeria? You know they. Right from my primary school to secondary school. I know see people one day my dear there is some week or maybe they don't come people say we get one and go me for fit control with they talk. You know they. Why okay tomorrow nothing like when you say if I call Europe the way they talk maybe they'll feed one for me. You tell me say make I not cross desert, I'll go cross some. I'll cross some. So, that if I go so like this they'll help me. I'll call the talk up way. I'll go cross them. This is happen to every one of them. I not support them next week. I just they come there because we still have some lazy one. Let me say they get opportunity to go to school, they don't go. To learn work, they don't learn. To read we just get lazy one. They are very lazy. They don't want to do anything for their life. They're very lazy. All those who want not be government fault. But they don't get the opportunity to get back. Many youth, they are very ready to do something. But no electricity, no money, no capital, nothing. God bless Africa. God bless you all. The way. What can you tell me? It's a lie. For me, it's a lie. Here is food in Nigeria. Where is the food? No, it's their lie. Where is the job? No, there is power. There is electricity everywhere. Where is the power? Where is it? Even yesterday, here, no person. No lights. Everywhere that you cannot see their face. Nigeria, you don't see their face everywhere that they can't touch lights. You see me? You see me? You see me? And that kind of one, if you come see where say Peter say you go one travel, you don't go run follow them. You go run follow them. God bless you all. So stop disgracing Nigeria. Stop pulling us down. Stop defending the government. You correct them when they are wrong. You praise them when they are right. And you speak against them when they are not doing well. You correct them wrong. That's your job. Activist, advocate, journalist. You correct them when they are wrong. You praise them when they are right. You talk against them, speak against them when they are not doing well. You cry out. It's your job. You are there to bring change to your society. You are there to make change and bring change to your nation. You are not there to support bad governments. I love Africa. And stop fooling these people. Because most of them, they will not tell you the truth. Now shake when I put camera for their face. They hate directly. Just for the one talk. So interview and they say I wish you interview and you say give a like and say, oh, as they come interview, they come give a job. Who you help? You the other people, the two people, who you help? Who na they help? Who you help? You want give a job? You want learn? Who you help? You just want hear. Who they beg you now? People. We are just crying for Nigeria. I'm crying for my country. For the people in my country, I'm crying. Let me play my music.
Who do not day? Brother, what time?
Not day.
Not day. Now I can't go night. One man wait if my girl, them go show him face for them. Which man go dey alape ah? One man go dey shine. Which man go dey alape ah? One man go dey shine. The nation to fall inside where. Mr. President, police well, not they take bribe. They lead us well. Senator well. Police well, not they take bribe. Well, you know they, brother, transportation day. And our road is not good oh. Want a body never people oh. Everybody just say Allah. When not they now how we want survive. Many youth ready for work, but as work not they now how they want survive. We will be giant of Africa, but to get this center Ghana now yeah. My God, policeman go see white, he go tell you say I say that thing direct. Tell me something I do to make on that lead us well. Don't let this nation to fall inside well. Mr. President, lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Police well, not they take bribe. Lead us well. Govern us well. Senator well. Police well, not they take bribe. Say the name of the party. People this country, the name of the party. Election for my country, now party. Ayo, arranging on me. People wait for them things to they live in pain. This not disgrace, I am so ashamed. The collection permit, collect trading permit, radio permit. You see the bunch up. You want to make money. Why do they make us they live in pain? No let this nation to fall inside well, Mr. President. Well, governor well, senator well, police well, not the leaders well, governors well, senator well, police well, not the take right. I'm not in the park. Anything we pan and wish. I'm gonna put the summer no.
Okay, una buy yo. Many youths are ready to work. Make una provide job for them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. God bless you all. I appreciate my viewers. Now do my body. Not that una pikin and sister. I don't dey talk am welly. Now very soon I know they start my game. I will dey jolly welly. See ya on Tuesday. God bless you. Awu people. Adiós, cariño, te quiero mucho, abu, chao, bye bye, adiós.